What does a 1-year-old Doberman and a subcompact crossover SUV have in common? A broken backing camera. My dad's backing camera ceased to function properly for weeks now. Our pet dog, Chloe, a female Doberman, bit off the wiring connection from underneath the car. I don't know why Chloe ripped off the camera. Maybe she is camera shy. Just kidding. So, I decided to fix it with some elbow grease and basic electronic knowledge. If you are new to this channel, just hit the subscribe button for free. Before I show you how I fixed the backing camera system, let us review its basic components first. The layout of a backing camera system typically consists of several key components that are arranged in a specific configuration to provide the driver with a clear view of the area behind the vehicle. Here's a typical layout for a backing camera system. Camera unit. The rear camera unit is mounted at the rear of the vehicle, usually near the license plate or at the rear bumper. It captures the live video footage of the area behind the vehicle and sends it to the display screen inside the vehicle. Display screen. The display screen is located inside the vehicle, typically on the dashboard or in the center console. It receives the video feed from the camera unit and displays the live footage to the driver in real time. Wiring and connections. Wiring is used to connect the camera unit to the display screen and other necessary components, such as power sources and control modules. The wiring is usually routed through the vehicle's interior or along the underside of the vehicle. Power source. The camera unit and display screen require power to operate. They are typically connected to the vehicle's electrical system or a separate power source, such as the vehicle's battery or a dedicated power supply. Control interface. Some backing camera systems include a control interface that allow the driver to adjust settings, such as brightness, contrast, and camera angle. This interface may consist of a physical button or a touchscreen display. Mounting hardware. Mounting hardware is used to securely attach the camera unit and display screen to the vehicle. This may include brackets, screws, adhesive mounts, or other fastening mechanisms. In order to start repairing the reverse camera, we have to find the severed wires underneath the car. This will allow us to reconnect them to the broken camera. The 3 wires have to be peeled off using a wire stripper. After peeling the wires, let us twist them individually so that no wire fiber gets accidentally connected to another wire. Make sure that you connect wires of the same color by twisting them together. Once the 3 wires are reconnected, it's time to return the camera to its original compartment above the plate number. As soon as you turn on the car, the display screen will now show you what the reverse camera is filming.
Ano na? Run.
Everybody's happy. Well, except for Chloe, who is now in chains.